Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Bedtime mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, we want to go down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. In here, tap on Bedtime mode. And then if you want to switch it on, you tap on turn on as schedule, or you can tap on it to switch it off. Now once it is turned on as schedule, you can also change which days to schedule your bedtime. So let's say if Sunday and Saturday is not important to switch it on, you can deselect Sunday and Saturday. And now 5 days are selected from Monday to Friday. And you can tap on set schedule. In here it has a start time and end time. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now by having bedtime switch on or having the bedtime mode switch on, the screen will be changed to grayscale and muting codes, alerts and other sounds will get muted. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.